Okay, so what's happened here is I got these old injector plugs on a 1990 that hold on to the injector, and as you can see here, this bottom side here is broke where that little clip goes on. So this injector would come off of the this injector plug would come off the injector while I was trying to go down the road or idle. It only came off once on me, and I decided that's enough. I mean, it could really go lean and do some damage. It's supposed to be like that. Have that little rail along the side where you can slip that clip in, and that actually holds the injector too. And what I've done is I went to the junkyard and picked up just a set of these out of a 2G. It comes on a whole rail, real easy. You just unclip all of them and unplug it. Take these two little plastic clips out, and it comes out as a whole single unit. You can bring it to the house, and they didn't even charge me for the clips. I picked up some clips in the fuel rail while I was there. They didn't even charge me for the clips, so this is actually a free upgrade. And what that allows you to do is it takes this one injector clip. This is one of the 2G injector clips, and instead of using that little pin, it uses these two little thumb deals on the side here, and you can just squeeze those and off the injector and back on the injector. Just one little easy clip. Whereas these things are a pain to get on and off. I mean, they're not too bad, but for ease and comfort, this is going to be the upgrade. Plus, this is broken, so I needed to replace it anyway. For me, on a 90, it seems that there is no way to get these wires out without breaking it. Okay, so if you got a 91 or 92, something above a 90, I know I took injector clips off of a 92 in the junkyard, and you can just slide the wires by sliding a screwdriver in the front there, and then the wires will just pull right out of the back. But the problem I was having is I couldn't get the wires to slide out. So I took this injector clip for that third cylinder, or for number 2 there, and I actually broke it. And I don't know how well you can see that, but right here and right there, what holds these wires in is a big chunk of plastic. It's not a bendable piece. So you're not going to be able to just slide these wires out. I'm going to cut them and then just resolder them with heat shrink. Earlier I took these two apart. All you got to do is I thought I could take my harness apart and put these in, so I took 2 of them apart. Very fast, very easy. These E-clips just is what holds the wires in there. So you just pop that E-clip out, and you stick a screwdriver in this end and pull. It's just like a little prong in there, and you just pull the wire out. But I'm gonna have to put these 2 back together since I'm gonna have to solder mine on anyway. If you'll notice, every injector plug, these are 2 I just put together, and with the plugs facing up, you know, the way they're supposed to be facing, when you clip it on, you'll notice that the green wire is always on the right hand side, and that's the case with the 2 that I never took apart, so that you know that the green wire goes on the right hand side. One thing to note here is that this light wire, this light color wire, is always going to be on your passenger side, and this dark color wire will always be on the driver's side for the let me see what I'm talking about. Right there on that multimeter, we'll connect those. We just touch either end and goes through the coil of the injector. And you see it goes down about 2.4, 2.3. If you get one of these, it won't fit. The end's got too small on it. You just take a razor blade, cut around it, and cut that piece off. And you know, you can get it to slide over. get out. You just go pick up your favorite wire loom and cut you a few sections to make this all nice and neat again.